What can I do to better myself in 1 month? So, today's topic is all about how to improve your life in just 1 month. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. I will regularly upload the informative content like this. So, watch until the end. I will share you a pro tips. Change is a journey, but you don't have to wait forever to see result. Transform your life for the better in just 1 month with these easy habits. The 10 simple habits to transform your life in just 1 month. Major transformation is built up over time in incremental block. Studies have shown us that we can grow dramatically, which keeps things manageable and resists the urge to do it all at once. By integrating doable practices and change over shorter period of time, we can build even more radical changes than we imagined possible. So here is the plan. Consider your a month of 30 days and focus only on improving yourself. Now, 13 days equal to 720 hours. We will minimum 6 hour sleep every day. So 6 into 30 equal to 118 hours. 720 minus 180 equal to 540 hours. Let's assume your meals collectively take 1 hour, bathroom and washroom routine take about half an hour. Social networking, WhatsApp app, Big Quora, LinkedIn hike will take around an hour, and let's throw an extra half an hour for other activities. So all this take about 3 hours per day. So 3 into 30 equal to 19 hours. Now 540 minus 90 equal to 450 hours. Finally, 450 divided by 30 equal to 50 hours per day. You have 50 hours each day to learn something new and improve yourself. Can you imagine the number of possibilities here? You can decide upon anything depending on your needs. But if you ask me, I will suggest the following things. First, learn proper weight training. People often put their health and physique at a lesser priority in life, and when they say start looking like a potato, two things happen. First, they become extremely self conscious and unhappy. Second, they mostly invite peoples who are in good shape. To save yourself for all this mess, start weight training. People often women neglect weight training, not knowing how beneficial it is. Don't run after cardio. Lift weight regularly. Do it for a month and you will see magical result. Second, watch one TED Talk a day. If you want to improve yourself, listen to people who have been there, done that. Take notes, observe how their body language is, look into their profile, study their work ethic. This is the best way to add an extra edge to your career. Third, read at least 3 different books. Pick one fiction, one non-fiction and one light-hearted book and set a goal to finish all three of them within this 1 month. Distribute your time according to your mood, but make sure you read them every day. At the end of the month, you will have a whole different perspective of things. Fourth, watch one meaningful documentary even other day. Documentaries are a great way to learn about important things in depth. The opinions and facts they provide are eye-opening. Knowing and understanding them make you realize how important it is to be aware. Fifth, go spend time with the people you love. You never know the importance of moment until it's gone. If you have a people who love you unconditionally, spend time with them as much as you can, cause time can snatch them away from you any second. So treasure each moment. Remember, love is the ultimate thing that make you a better person. Sixth, change one habit that is bad for you. If you are a chain smoker, work on quitting smoking. If you are raising alcoholic, try to give up alcohol. If you are an impulsive shopper, learn to stop wasting money. I know it is easier said than done. That's why get help. unpaid one if necessary. You only have this 1 month to change that one thing about yourself that is stopping you from being a better person. Give it your best shot. Seventh, get up early. Winning a battle of the bed and putting mind over mattress by rising early will provide you at least one quiet hour for yourself during the most crucial part of day, the beginning. Then your rest of the day will wonderful. Don't compare your life with others. You will have no idea what their journey is all about. Maintain a distance from your horrible past so it's never spoil your present. 8th, don't use phone for 2 hours after waking up and before going to bed. Rather try doing something productive. Start reading and all. Ninth, reset your mind. Write down your general meditating so that your mind have a in a subconscious mind you will improve because of doing this thing. So my last and my pro tip is there, make a to-do list of what you can and what want to do every day. At least list 3 things you can want to accomplish. Write down in your to-do list. So, my message is here that purpose, values, and goals writing helps. It is a polite reminder to the self to stick to the 3 things, irrespective of the pros and cons that may present itself in any form of the obstacles. Without purpose, one is lost. Without values, all activities come to a point where it is difficult to ascertain if the purpose of worth pursuing in a long run. Goals are self-imposed targets that one has to promise to achieve within a stipulated time frame. They lead to a sense of satisfaction and pride of achievement. So spend less time looking at your phone, computer or laptop, whether it is a scroll through social media, check your email or text. We have become too accustomed to the instant gratification. It is reducing our productivity, attention span, and sleep. Maybe read a book, magazine, or newspaper instead. So make sure to turn off your any screen 30 minutes before bed to ensure you are getting good sleep as well. So my pro tip is here that decrease screen attention. So here I end the video. If you like this video, please like and share with your friend, and please subscribe so that you can regularly check my new video. Thank you guys.